A tooling deburring tool. Our deburring tool is great for many types of edge cleanup. It works great for the cleanup of brass, steel, aluminum, copper, or PVC pipes, as well as metal edges of auto parts, gears, or any other freshly cut metal parts. It is also great for trimming the edges of your 3D-printed plastic objects or parts. Resin art is booming, and our deburring tool is perfect for shaving and smoothing. Whether you are an industrial professional or a dyer. The Hi-Spec metal hand and needle files toolkit set is for DIY, woodworking, craft work, hobbies, and model projects. All are kept in a big zipper case. The heat-treated T12 and 82B spring steel high-carbon steel alloy give high wear resistance and hardness with low ductility. A light touch of machine oil is used to preserve their surface finish. HORUSDY's 6-in-1 wire stripping crimper tool. The multifunctional wire stripper has 6 functions: wire stripping, loop and wire, crimping, cutting, iron wire cutting, and double-strand wire cutting. A wire cutter with an induction-hardened cutting edge stays sharp longer. This wire stripping tool for copper and aluminum cables from 10 to 18 WG. The pliers style nose allows the wire stripper to pull and loop in the wire. This unique design can cut 1 to 2.5 mm double-strand wire and iron wire. The ABS and rubber combined handle provides strong construction and a comfortable grip, feeling increased comfort. The Essential Car Emergency Safety Hammer has a tungsten steel alloy head window breaker and a sharp seat belt cutter for easily breaking car windows and cutting through seat belts. All-in-one car emergency flashlight includes window breaker, seatbelt cutter, red and blue SOS flashing, 3-mode alarm rescue, solar charging, 3-mode LED flashlight, 2 modes of side light, USB charging, mobile power bank, powerful magnet, portable design. Efficient energy with a solar-powered power bank. The super long battery life mobile power supply connects the mobile phone and flashlight through the USB data cable to charge the mobile phone in an emergency, so that you are never in danger. With a powerful magnet on the side of the flashlight head, you could attach it to the car or other metallic surface to use as a work light, camping lamp, or emergency warning light. STANLEY Folding Sawhorse. The STANLEY Portable Folding Sawhorse secures your sawing surface and is collapsible for easy transport and storage. When used as a pair, this lightweight and sturdy Sawhorse twin pack can hold 1,000 pounds. Built-in work holding channels keep materials securely in place, and added multi-purpose side hangers allow for quick access to extension cables. No Easy Heavy-Duty Ratchet Wire Cutter. This heavy-duty ratchet cable cutter has a mechanical design that easily cuts copper or aluminum cables. The sleek, compact construct allows you to cut cables in tight areas where other cutters fail, and it offers a secure grip as well as diverts some electricity. It adopted a unique ratchet driving unit action that holds cable tight and allows rapid straight cuts with minimum effort. The Fluke T5 600 voltage continuity and current tester lets you check voltage, continuity, and current with one compact tool. With the T5, all you have to do is select volts, ohms, or current, and the tester does the rest. Open jaw current lets you check current up to 100 without breaking the circuit. The tough test leads stow neatly in the back of the tester, making it easy to tote the T5 in your tool pouch. Detachable slim reach test probes are customized for national electrical standards. A Sawtools CSB wire stripper and cutter. It is specially designed and precisely machined teeth that grab, hold, pull, and remove the outer jacket in a simple one-handed motion. Precise working thanks to the adjustable length stop, which automatically adjusts to the respective conductor cross-section. Wolf-Craft Razor Sharp Mega Cut S. The Wolf-Craft Mega Cut S all-purpose cutter's razor-sharp, high-performance stainless steel blade lets you effortlessly cut through strong materials such as tubing, cables, and even leather up to a thickness of 13 millimeters. The Mega Cut, with its ergonomic, non-slip handle, fits comfortably in the hand. A spring-loaded safety cover on the front of the blade holder prevents accidental contact with the blade tip. It also protects the integrated locking mechanism to prevent injuries. One replacement blade is included. Matco Tools Pro Charge. Matco's Pro Charge family offers a variety of rechargeable lighting options and wireless charging pads to quickly and easily charge without having to worry about cords or batteries. Easily charge any Pro Charge light wirelessly on the single or dual smart charge pads, or with a USB-C charging cable. Choose from a variety of lighting options, including a floodlight, a 2-in-1 spotlight flashlight, or a headlamp. The wireless charging bases can also charge your mobile device and keep it secure in a pop-out holder while charging. Matco Tools Pro Charge. Matco's Pro Charge family offers a variety of rechargeable lighting options and wireless charging pads to quickly and easily charge without having to worry about cords or batteries. Easily charge any Pro Charge light wirelessly on the single or dual smart charge pads, or with a USB-C charging cable. Choose from a variety of lighting options, including a floodlight, a 2-in-1 spotlight flashlight, or a headlamp. The wireless charging bases can also charge your mobile device and keep it secure in a pop-out holder while charging. Wolf Tooth 8-Bit Pack Pliers. The 8-Bit Pack Pliers is a lightweight multi-tool with 17 functions. 8 attachments nest inside the handles of Masterlink pliers using magnets and a clever storage system. These attachments then fit into an 8mm ball-detent swivel head that has a 4mm opening for hex bits, which adds functionality to the already versatile Masterlink pliers. This new multi-tool was created to solve almost any minor repair on MTB and road rides alike. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.